He will take into you into confidence as far as Mahaps market is concerned. So when you would the meeting है जो तुम्ही मेळटलो
निमाणे कितें आसा निमाणे फंड्स असो एलोकेट करता म्हापशा खातीर म्हाका दिसता पूर्ण गोंयभर they have allocated budgets to different municipal corporations. I think honorable minister had assured me that 2 वर्सां भितर जितली तुजी कामां आसा तितली करून दितलो म्हणून. So I expect him to give an assurance today on the floor of the house. तेणे तुमकांय सांगलेलें आसा दिसता that it will be done. So I think this is a very important requirement for the city of Mapusa. We understand that Bazar जो आसा is the center of the city of Mapusa and the center of Pardes. पूर्ण उत्तर गोंयचे लोक जितले आहा तितले सगळे बाजारान येतात and the basic infrastructure somewhere is lacking. See, I understand that it is the responsibility of the municipal council, but खंय तरी म्हारगाय खूब वाडलेली आसा. We can see that in 15 years we can see the cost of everything that has escalated to a very high level. So it is not possible for the municipal corporations across the entire state to take up projects of this scale in their respective jurisdiction. So we will need state support for this, and I urge honorable minister. I will be putting it up today in the house.
सर एक रिसेंट रिपोर्ट केला तितून एक अनसेफ बिल्डिंग
सी ऑनरेबल CM 2 महिने पयलीं म्हापसा म्युनिसिपालिटीन आयिल्लो तेन्ना मिटींग जाल्लेली अलॉंग विथ कलेक्टर नॉट ऑल्सो डेप्युटी कलेक्टर all concerned authorities were there with regards to multiple issues that we faced in Mapusa. And one of the highlighted items was the dangerous buildings in Mapusa. There are a couple of around 6 buildings that are very unsafe. But Mapusa Municipal Council does not have that type of funding to demolish. The cost of each building should be of demolition will be around 30-35 lakhs. That is what is estimated. So we will need the help of the PWD. I believe the municipality has already returned to the PWD, to the demolition squad to help us through the collector, of course, to help us to demolish these unsafe structures before there is a natural calamity with the current rain situation that is there. So I urge honorable CM to intervene and give necessary financial support to the PWD, because there are another 2-3 issues of land filling that is there around Mapusa. I won't say in Mapusa because in Mapusa it is okay. Around Mapusa there are issues, and I checked with the deputy collector. He said PWD कड़े फंड ना. So खंय तरी हे गॅप जो आसा तेंच्यांनी ब्रिज करचे आनी हे स्ट्रक्चर्स जे आसा आनी लँड फिलिंग जे केलेलें आसा ते जाता तितले बेगीन काडचे, बिकॉज अल्टिमेटली लँड फिलिंग अगेन लीड्स टू फ्लडिंग इन द एंटायर लो लाइंग एरिया. So six structures. I think one is Junta quarters that is belonging to government. There is one Dempo building. I don't have the private owner कितें आसा तितून सोसायटी ना, ओनर ना, कोण ना जाल्यार municipality breaks it and sends the bill to the respective owner, and then they have to collect it in the form of house tax. It is added to that.
आणि सिवेज तुमच्यानी जे STP घेतला तो कंप्लीट केला
The sewerage STP plant has completed 33 connections in Mapusa in the closest area to the plant. Plant जो जावन आसा तो कमारकाजानान आसा आनी गांवसोडो म्हणून इज द लो लाइंग एरिया ऑफ Mapusa, one of the low lying areas of Mapusa. They are going in a phase manner. About 2 months ago they were at 13 connections. आता they are at 33 connections. पावसा खातीर ते कनेक्शन बंद केला because ground level water is a bit high. But 33 connections have been completed. The plant is running in a very low amount, low scale. Sadhya very low scale it is operating. So it is an ongoing process. I will be able to comment maybe somewhere the end of November about this. They will also be taking raw sewage from the tankers. We had a discussion with them about a week ago. So that process will also start. There is some land acquisition issue at the plant खंय व्हडल्यो गाडयो भितर सरपाक मातसो जागो कमी पडटा. So that also is part of the job of the deputy collector to clear that land filling that is.
कनेक्शन केन्ना पर्यंत
So कितें आसा they are it is the entire phase 1 of Mapusa. 2 phases जावन आसा. Phase 2 अजुनूय हात लावंक ना, कित्याक आमी सांगलेलें आसा लोकांक phase 1 कंप्लीट जावन चालू आसा तशें लोकांक दिसूंक जाय की हे बाबा चलता म्हणून. खूब जाणांक दुबाव आसा की बाबा चलतलें ना चलतलें. So it is